नंबर्स जो हैं वो
Uh-huh.
सिर्फ स्क्रीन पे ही मैटर करते हैं. एज लॉन्ग एज you
Uh-huh.
believe you're a match winner and your team believes in you, that is what is
Yeah,
more
yeah,
important.
yeah,
So
yeah.
I felt कि यार क्रिकेट और फैशन को इंटीग्रेट क्यों नहीं कर सकते? Why not? एक वो ड्रेसिंग रूम में ना वो डर था सीनियर्स का
Huh. Yeah.
कि अगर बनना है तो इनके जैसे बनना है. The guys need to focus on test cricket so that test cricket is saved, and
Yes.
that is how cricket started from test cricket. You will only find out about your mental toughness once you go through your lows.
Hello, everybody. You're watching SGTV. I'm your host, Paras Anand, and today we have an icon with us. We have Mr. Yuvraj Singh. Hi, Yuvi. How are you?
I'm good, Paras. How are you? First time I'm speaking
All
to you online. Looks a bit weird. Sounds a bit weird.
we I know, even it'll take me also some time to get used to it. But unfortunately, these are the times, tough times where everybody is going through these challenges. And how difficult has it been for you personally? Because I'm sure it is taking a toll on everybody. So how have you coped with it in the last year and a half or year and 3 months?
Well, I think first COVID wave we were all learning about it, and what is COVID. And the second wave right now is pretty bad. So काफी रिश्तेदारों दोस्तों की families में there been a lot of deaths.
Wow.
And unfortunately, beds were not available.
Correct.
So I think that was more disheartening. मेरे हिसाब से it's like when a soldier goes to a fight and he gets injured
Mm.
and he
Yeah.
cannot get to a hospital. I thought that was really unfair. So
Yeah.
I thought through my foundation, UVCAN Foundation, Cancer
Yes.
Foundation, that we only work on cancer. We thought that we're gonna start with Mission 1000 beds. So
Mm-hmm.
we are trying to increase capacity with hospitals 15% capacity because they have the
Mm-hmm.
manpower, and
Mm-hmm.
we give them utilities like oxygen BiPAP machines and ventilators. So धीरे धीरे
Mm-hmm.
करके if we can use 1,000 beds for COVID, and then obviously when COVID hopefully goes away, we can use them as cancer beds. So
Yeah.
I thought that gave some meaning for me, do something for society. क्रिकेटर का मतलब ये नहीं कि बस घर में क्रिकेट खेलिए और घर बैठ गए. I just thought that we need to do something about it. It's very important for country to come together. I mean, we always
Yes.
blame the system,
Mm-hmm.
government क्या कर रही है या कौन क्या कर रहा है. But I think it's important that as individuals, if we can help our neighbor to save his life, or
Mm-hmm.
spread a message that wear your mask, wash your hands, be protective. तो हम
Yeah.
उतना ही कर ले तो वो बहुत है. You know,
बहुत है,
we
बहुत है.
we make so much noise about COVID. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
we see so many people dying, and then you travel, and if there's no lockdown, suppose if you get out of the house, you're going to
Mm-hmm.
work, and you see 20 people in the street not wearing a mask.
Mm-hmm.
तो हम फिर वो गवर्नमेंट को या किसी कॉर्पोरेट को हम उनको क्लेम करते हैं जब अभी खुद ही नहीं मास्क
Yeah.
पहन रहे या
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
that is my concern, that yes, everybody's trying to do their best, but it's really important to wear a mask. I mean, look at
Yep.
England, look at America. इंग्लैंड में क्रिकेट भी हो रही है, फुटबॉल भी हो रही है, और कोई
Yeah.
मास्क नहीं पहन रहा बिकॉज द होल कंट्री इज वैक्सीनेटेड. सो एवरीबडी नीड्स टू गेट वैक्सीनेटेड. आई फील.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
No, I think we've learned a lot from the second wave. As a country, we've learned a lot, and let's hope that we don't repeat the mistake.
या
Let's
एब्सोल्युटली.
hope we don't. Yeah. So let's now go back. We really want to start from your childhood, because a lot of younger audience who's going to be listening to what we are talking about. So while you were growing up, which is one memory which is there, which is going to stay closest to your heart?
I mean, there are lots of memories that they're very close to my heart. I think one memory always, which is, I mean, it's not a good memory. If
Uh-huh.
I can talk about it, I remember my father throwing my skates away and told me, आज के बाद
Yeah.
तू क्रिकेट खेलेगा, स्केटिंग नहीं करेगा. So that my gold medal flying away or my skates flying away
Uh-huh.
is a memory I didn't like. I mean, there have been some happy memories as well, playing in the backyard with my parents or playing in the backyard with my friends. I mean,
Uh-huh.
there are lots of memories that we can talk about.
Yeah. तो मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी उसी से रिलेटेड है कि when did you feel that okay, cricket is it is, you know, it's this sport which is my dream, which is my passion, and you know, obviously reaching the level that you reached, तो वो आपको किस एज पे लगा था कि हाँ, you know, I can actually make myself a professional cricketer?
I didn't have a choice that I would play a certain sport because my father said कि nothing doing, you only gonna play cricket after a certain time. Where I actually didn't like playing cricket because मुझे लगता था 5-6 घंटे धूप में कौन खेलेगा यार, you know. फुटबॉल 90 मिनट्स में खत्म हो जाती थी, skating was indoors.
Yeah.
So I was never like I wanted to play cricket. I remember like my childhood buddies that I've grown up with,
Yeah.
वो घर के अंदर बॉल लगा के प्रैक्टिस कर रहे होते थे। और मैं उनको बोलता है तुम क्या कर रहे हो, टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो लाइफ में, बाहर निकलो, मतलब ऑब्वियसली क्रिकेट भी बाहर ही है, मतलब कुछ और स्पोर्ट खेलो, ये क्या मतलब बॉल लटका के तुम शॉटे मार रहे हो घर के अंदर। So I used to say that to some of my friends, and that's what my father told me, that you know you have no choice except to play cricket. I mean, इतने प्यार से नहीं बोला, इतने प्यार से मैं बोल रहा हूँ। And then it was only cricket all the while. I think he also must have seen the little bit of talent in me. He wanted me to be a fast bowler actually.
Yeah.
So I think since the age of 11, 10, 11, I had to like leave other sports and you know just play cricket. I think about 11 years old, I was playing. I was playing under 14 tennis tournaments also that time, but was not happening for me cricket.
So you know, like you said, कि कोई choice नहीं थी. This was the sport, and you know, it has happened to other young sports person also. You know, you're not the only one. अगर आप Agassi की story पढ़ो तो Agassi also, he never liked playing tennis, so it's happened before it. But because you were talented, you know, at least your father understood that, you know, this is what you can make a career out of it. कोई एक चाइल्डहुड हीरो रहा हो आपका, कोई एक चाइल्डहुड हीरो हो जिसको देख के आपने इंस्पिरेशन ली हो व्हेन यू वर से 12, 11, 13?
I think when I started looking up to someone, it was always Tendulkar, because obviously he started playing for India at the age of 16,
Yes.
right? And so automatically a young kid will look up. I'm not saying automatically, but you will like that. Who is this guy who's playing for India at 16? That's like unheard. 16 साल की उम्र में तो मतलब हम लोग सीखे थे कि रन कैसे बनाने हैं अंडर 16, 19 में, और ये बंदा इंडिया खेल रहा है. So always looked down to him in terms, he was very flamboyant, enjoyed his batting. You know, I feel probably he's the most technically correct batsman of all times. Like किसी बैट्समैन में फ्लॉ लगता है ना, ऐसा लगता नहीं था हमको देख के कि he has any flaws. So always been my idol, off and on the field.
And the fact that, you know, he was your idol, then you played with him, shared the dressing room, and today he's like one of your best friends. So वो जो feeling होती है, you know, idol को, and now he's a good friend of yours. So वो कैसी feeling लगती है आपको, कैसा feel होता है that, you know, Sachin, and he loves you a lot. Everybody knows, you know, he expresses his love for you. तो वो तो बहुत बड़ी achievement होगी, you know, one of the precious relationships that you have.
I mean, बड़ी achievement है कि Tendulkar has chosen me as a friend.
And he expresses that, you know.
Yeah, I mean, I think Sachin has a lot of kindness, which actually is very attracting to a younger generation when we were growing up. He was a very kind person, and he was every time he scored runs, scored a zero, scored 100, his behavior would not change. And from a very young age, he was always helping. I remember मैंने उनको एक बार फोन किया वेस्ट इंडीज में, उनका टेस्ट मैच था अगले दिन. And I told him that Paji, Adidas wants to, you know, sign me up. What should I do? And he's like, रात के 1 बज रहे, सुबह बैटिंग करनी है मैंने. At that time, I was not close to him at all. Just come in the team.
Yes.
So they had to travel to West Indies one day cricket. I said, I'm so sorry. I'll put the phone down. But he spoke to me and he advised me, you know, what to do about it. So So he's always been someone who's, every time you go to him, is always there to help you out or be there for you. And obviously learned a lot from him how to carry yourself off the field. Because on the
Yes.
field, you perform at a young age and you just go crazy. The youngsters don't actually know कि इतनी सक्सेस को संभालना कैसे है. तो
Absolutely.
हमारे टाइम पे जो प्लेयर्स थे लाइक राहुल द्रविड़, सचिन तेंदुलकर, सौरव गांगुली, कुंबले, श्रीनाथ, so we could see their behavior off the field,
Yeah.
and like how they spoke to the media, लोगों से कैसे बात करते हैं. So I think एक वो ड्रेसिंग रूम में ना वो डर था सीनियर्स का
हाँ. Yeah.
कि अगर बनना है तो इनके जैसे बनना है, कि मतलब
True.
इतना
Yeah.
डिसिप्लिन होना चाहिए, लोगों से
हाँ.
ऐसे बात करनी चाहिए और परफॉर्म करके ऐसे बिहेव करना चाहिए.
Yeah.
तो वो जो चीज है मैं आज की डेट में नहीं देखता a lot.
हाँ.
Because
Yeah.
obviously, a lot of money has come into Indian cricket. A lot of money has come from IPL. So a lot of
Yes.
kids, जो भी यंग लड़के होते हैं वो इंडिया के लिए नहीं खेले, उनको 2-2, 3-3, 4-4 करोड़ पे मिल रहे हैं. So they can go crazy. It's very normal.
Yeah.
You don't know.
Yeah.
Suddenly आपको समझ नहीं आती इतने पैसों के साथ करना क्या है. तो times have changed a lot, but I'm very blessed that मैं
Yes.
जनरेशन में खेला. हाँ, I could have played more Test cricket in these times because I didn't get too many opportunities because they were great players. But I feel that I wouldn't have been this person अगर मैं उस slot में नहीं खेला होता.
Yes.
Yeah.
My next question is related to what you were saying. Say about 15 years ago or 20 years ago, जब आप आए थे scene में, तो cricketers were seen as sports person. वो style icon वाली बात नहीं थी. And today, if you see the social media of all the younger generation, आपको दिखता है, they've got the Bollywood style. But I am the generation who's seen cricket at that level where that change happened. वो change आप लेके आए, वो Bollywood वाला style आप लेके आए. That okay, a cricketer could look better than a Bollywood star. A cricketer could have more female fan following. So do you feel that you actually brought that that trend or that वो जो एरा था वो चेंज हो गया कि इवन क्रिकेटर स्पोर्ट्समैन नहीं है, क्रिकेटर स्टाइल भी मारेगा, डिजाइनर लेबल्स भी पहनेगा, एंड ऑनेस्टली आई एम बीइंग वेरी कैंडिड हियर कि वो मेरे हिसाब से आपने शुरू किया है और आज अगर आप फ्रॉम 1 to 11 देखो, everybody's got that style. You look at the social media presence. So your thought, your take. Have you ever thought about this?
I actually never thought about it. I always loved wearing good clothes. Okay. And to be honest, हमारे ड्रेसिंग रूम में हमारे सीनियर जिस तरह के कपड़े पहनते थे ना, हम कहते थे यार कभी स्पोर्ट्स ब्रांड के अलावा भी कोई कपड़ा लो, बोल नहीं सकते थे, सोचते ही थे. So and I have been a very fashion person myself. I love brands and I always wanted to own a brand of my own. And through my foundation, UVCAN, I've started that. But when you look at big brands like in cricket, there is SG, there is SS, and in fashion, there are obviously a lot of other brands. So I felt कि यार cricket और fashion को integrate क्यों नहीं कर सकते? Why not?
Yes.
And obviously वो आज की डेट में हो रहा है. You see a lot of, because of social media, times have changed.
Yes, it has. Absolutely.
I feel cricket. I think those days cricketers were more demigods.
Yes.
यार क्रिकेटर को ऐसे रहना चाहिए और ऐसे बोलना चाहिए, ये वो है. So I think अभी थोड़ा people start accepting कि यार क्रिकेटर लोग भी लोग हैं. They're okay. It's okay for them to go out. It's okay for them to look good.
To have a life. To have a life.
To have a life, basically.
Yes.
So I think it was very important that मेरी life बहुत outgoing थी. I was a very social person. I wanted to go out there, make friends, talk to people, and not just sit in the room and just think about cricket. हाँ, मतलब मेरा ये होता था कि एटलीस्ट कमरे में बैठो, बाहर जाके खाना खा लो या go somewhere and take your mind off. So when it comes to fashion, I thought that I I was big into fashion. I loved wearing clothes.
Yes.
And obviously, पंजाबियों को थोड़ी गलतफहमी होती है ना अपने बारों में कि यार लहंगा अलग चीज है. तो ऐसी कोई गलतफहमी तो नहीं थी, वो दोस्तों में मजाक करते थे. बट आई फेल्ट दैट आई वाज वेरी मच इनटू फैशन एंड आई लव वेयरिंग गुड क्लोथ. आई स्टिल डू. अभी तो घर में पहन के घूम रहा हूँ. बट I was always someone who wanted to create a fashion line.
Yeah. So, like, you just mentioned that you don't regret playing in that era where obviously you could have played 50 more test matches or 70 more test matches, but because of the names who were there, especially the middle order, जैसे वीरू, Dravid, Sachin, Ganguly, Lakshman, Yuvraj, you see that batting lineup and you see the records, whether it is one day, whether it is test matches. मतलब अगर आप वो सारे नाम देखते हैं, how long do you think it will take for India to reach that level and we have that kind of pedigree again? Are we there yet, or you feel we'll get there very soon?
See, I think when you talk about that era, वीरेंद्र सहवाग जो कि इतना बड़ा लेजेंडरी प्लेयर है, उसकी जगह नहीं बनती टेस्ट क्रिकेट में. Because 4, 5, 6 was always set. So Dada made him open to कितना टैलेंटेड प्लेयर है, ये ओपन करने क्या पता चल जाए. तो उसके बाद in between I also tried to open, but obviously I thought कि चलो whenever I get an opportunity I should play. Compared to this side, obviously we found someone who's replaced Sachin Tendulkar, which is Virat Kohli. He's also a great player of this generation. Obviously, but I'm not comparing. I'm just saying कि इतनी बड़ी responsibility के लिए हमें एक बहुत ही brilliant number 4 और number 3 batsman मिला. And then you have Pujara, who is very rock solid like Rahul Dravid. Right?
Correct.
And Ajinkya, who's very, like Lakshman.
Correct.
So, but the thing is that उस जनरेशन में फर्क ये है कि उस टाइम पे जगह नहीं थी मिडिल ऑर्डर में. पर आज की डेट में जगह है मिडिल ऑर्डर में. So I feel that till number 4 you are set, or say number 5, but 6, 7, obviously sometimes all-rounders play, sometimes the batsman plays. तो अभी भी हमेशा 2-3 स्पॉट टेस्ट क्रिकेट में खाली रहते हैं अगर आप 4-5 को हटा दो. बट आई फील कि लास्ट 6 महीने में रविंद्र जडेजा और अश्विन ने बहुत अच्छी बैटिंग की है. और उनके साथ ऋषभ ऑब्वियसली कमिंग इन, बैटिंग लाइनअप बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हो रही थी. एंड आई फील के ऋषभ पंत एक बहुत ही एक्सप्लोसिव प्लेयर नंबर 6 पर इन टेस्ट क्रिकेट. उसमें ही इज ए कंप्लीट मैच विनर. सो आई थिंक बीच में उसको काफी लॉट ऑफ क्रिटिसिज्म ऑन इट. सो आई जस्ट फील दैट कि अपने मैच विनर्स को कंटिन्यू रखना चाहिए, चाहे वो अगर वो 4 इनिंग फेल होंगे तो 5 इनिंग आपको चाबी देंगे, 3 इनिंग. So I feel that after a while, I feel Indian team in Test cricket is quite strong. Since the last, I would say, 3-4 years.
I think that is very well summed up. What you're saying is, अगर middle order उतना strong नहीं है, we have the all-rounders, or we have somebody like Rishabh Pant who's as explosive. So the trend of power cricket. क्योंकि टेस्ट क्रिकेट जैसे होती थी से अबाउट 20 years ago, टेस्ट क्रिकेट वाज टेकिंग योर टाइम, सेटलिंग इन, टायरिंग द बॉलर आउट एंड देन प्लेइंग. बट व्हाट वी हैव सीन इज वीरू, स्पेशली वीरू और आप दोनों ने मिलके वो चेंज किया ट्रेंड. इट वाज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट लीविंग द बॉल्स, इट वाज अटैकिंग द बॉल. एंड वो ट्रेंड सेट करके आज हम ऐसी सिचुएशन में आ गए. लाइक यू टॉकिंग अबाउट ऋषभ पंत, देन देयर इज रोहित शर्मा. They attack the bowlers. Like, exactly. If you see Test cricket today, so don't you think that that is the future for Test cricket. That now people they want a result. They want key strokes hone chahiye, and they want wickets to be falling. So do you see Test cricket changing in times to come?
I think, Juni, to be honest, beach mein Test cricket was dying a bit, right?
Yes, yes.
Because everybody
Right.
loves T20, finishes in an hour
Yeah.
and a half, 3
Mhm.
hours.
Yeah.
And if you look at the TRPs, even 50 overs cricket doesn't have TRP as T20 now.
Yes. Yes.
तो अब फिर टेस्ट को रीइन्वेंट किया, पिंक बॉल लेके आए, आप ही लेके आए, मतलब जो भी है. तो दे मेड टेस्ट क्रिकेट मोर एक्साइटिंग, ठीक है.
Yes.
बट इंडिया में छोटे सेंटर्स में टेस्ट क्रिकेट होने लगी, बड़े सेंटर्स में लोग नहीं आते. So I think game has changed a lot. Game has become really on a fast pace now. I think it was one-day cricket, or one-day cricket mostly was हमारे टाइम पर बराबर का गेम होता है बैट्समैन बॉलर.
Correct.
अभी वनडे क्रिकेट बहुत बैट्समैन की तरफ शिफ्ट कर गया है बिकॉज ऑफ द रूल्स, दो नहीं बोले
Yes.
और ये. लेकिन टेस्ट क्रिकेट इज ऑलवेज अ इवन कॉन्टेस्ट,
Yes.
and I feel in every sport it should always be a even contest. So test cricket has to stay, and test cricket is the real form of cricket, because test तो अल्टीमेट टेस्ट क्रिकेट क्यों बोलते हैं, बंदे का असली टेस्ट तो 5 दिन में होता है ना.
Test. हाँ. Correct. Correct.
तो आई थिंक टेस्ट क्रिकेट को जिस तरह भी रिवाइव करना चाहिए, एंड ऑब्वियसली people, the young, I want the young generation to focus a lot on test cricket, but because they are getting so much money in T20 that some of the guys, not all the guys, like
Yes.
a lot of guys still want to play test. Some of the guys कहते हैं यार के छोड़ो, 4 दिन की क्रिकेट, डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट नहीं खेलने आते. So I feel that ठीक है, IPL is there, it's the new big thing, T20 is a new big thing, कल को T10 आ जाएगा पता नहीं, but लेकिन the guys need to focus on test cricket so that test cricket is saved, and that is how cricket started from test cricket. So I think that's probably it'll always be the purest form of the game, and hopefully if you play like when India won in Australia, it revived test cricket. And then you're playing in England, there's going to be wickets and there's going to be runs, and it's going to be fast paced. So I think players have evolved. We have Virender Sehwag, उसने आगे ओपनिंग का माहौल चेंज किया. फिर रोहित शर्मा है, वो एक जनरेशन और आगे है. आई मीन ऑस्ट्रेलिया की तरफ से आई फील मिडिल ऑर्डर में 6 नंबर 7 नंबर गिलक्रिस्ट ने टेस्ट क्रिकेट को बहुत चेंज किया. एंड आई फील कि अब हमारे पास गिलक्रिस्ट जैसा प्लेयर है ऋषभ पंत, जो वैसी बैटिंग करके गेम का मोमेंटम चेंज करता है.
Absolutely.
So I feel that Test cricket is exciting. Yes, it is not that enjoyable when you're watching the first day, slow pace, but the third and the fourth day is always exciting when you get into Test cricket. Cricket, I will always watch Test cricket.
Yeah.
जो एक्टिव क्रिकेट लवर है.
Absolutely.
लेकिन गेम इतनी कमर्शियलाइज हो गई है बिकॉज सब लोग चौके छक्के और रन्स देखना चाहते हैं बोर्ड पे. Nobody wants to see a low scoring game. Like किसी ने 120 बनाया और 110 डिफेंड, कोई 110 पे टीम को ऑल आउट कर गया. अभी वैसे मैचेस नहीं होते if you look at it, क्योंकि कंडीशंस बहुत बैटिंग फ्रेंडली हो गई हैं, एंड गेम और it's it's commercialized now, so everyone want to see a big score and big hits basically.
So see, 2019 World Cup, we probably, our strategy of our number 4 batsman did not work for us, and everybody's talking about it. But number 4 position was something that you made your own. So, अब आपको क्या लगता है, who is the right candidate who can, at least in ODI and keeping 2023 in mind, you feel that, between, even if it is two players that come to your mind, India should stick with them and not make the same mistake of changing. And I'm asking you because you were number 4, it's your position.
हमारे 2019 में तो हमारे सिलेक्टर बोल रहे थे कि हम वर्ल्ड कप तो 4 नंबर करके हारे नहीं है. तो मैं अपना ओपिनियन दूंगा तो वो शायद उनको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. नंबर 4 की जो पोजीशन है, इट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पोजीशन इन वनडे क्रिकेट. ओके, ऊपर से 2 आउट हुए, यू नीड अ पार्टनरशिप देयर. And you need someone who can, pull through those innings. वर्ल्ड कप से पहले इन्होंने फर्स्ट आई गॉट ड्रॉप्ड, देन दे गॉट राइडू इन, देन दे परसिस्टेड विद राइडू को बड़ी देर खिलाया. लास्ट मैच में न्यूजीलैंड में 90 बनाया. ही हैड 2-3 बैड इनिंग्स अगेंस्ट ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड he just got dropped from the World Cup squad.
Yes.
So, and if you see the World Cup 2019, रोहित और विराट वनडे क्रिकेट में बना रहे थे. They were scoring runs.
Yeah.
He was scoring 50.
Yes.
Rohit was scoring hundreds.
Yeah.
Now, then शिखर इंजर्ड हुआ तो केएल 4 नंबर से ओपन करने चला गया वापस.
Yeah.
तो 4 नंबर पे they were playing Vijay Shankar. And they were playing Vijay Shankar. Obviously, he has played 5 ODI games.
Yes.
And you expect him to bat number 4. Then they replaced him with Rishabh Pant, who had played again 6 ODI games.
Yes.
Then you expect him to number 4. तो अगर आपने नंबर 4 का बैट्समैन ग्रूम ही नहीं किया, फिर आप बोल रहे हो कि रिजल्ट नहीं आया. So I thought that was, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि हम नंबर 4 करके हारे, बट नंबर 4 की पोजीशन आपने किसी को दी नहीं टू बिल्ड ऑन इट. So I feel in today's cricket, obviously KL opens, then he bats at 4, then he bats at 5.
Yes.
And then there is Jadeja and there is Hardik. So I feel that Shreyas is there batting at 4. KL is batting at 5. In my opinion, I think KL should bat at 4 and Shreyas should bat at 5.
Yes.
And then Rishabh Pant and then Hardik and Jadeja, whatever your combinations are. Yes. But I actually feel that जो भी 4 नंबर का प्लेयर है, तुम्हारा श्रेयस है या तुम्हारा केएल राहुल है या ऋषभ पंत है, they should be groomed over there.
Yes.
क्योंकि अभी वनडे क्रिकेट बहुत चेंज हो गई है. वनडे क्रिकेट अब ऐसा लगता है 2 इनिंग्स हो गई है T20, बिकॉज 350, 370, 380 has become a par score now because of the fielder.
Yeah.
So I think whoever now, if they're going for 22, 23 World Cup, जो भी 23 का World Cup है या T20 का World Cup है, तो उसमें अपना they should focus on one player or 2 players and tell them, guys, you're going to be 4 and 5. Like me and Mohammad Kaif have always told that you're going to bat 6 and 7.
Yes.
ये कैफ 6 पे जाएगा, मैं 7 पे जाऊंगा, या मैं 6 पे जाऊंगा, कैफ 7 जाएगा. Completely depending on के लेफ्टी राइटी का कॉम्बिनेशन कैसे रख सकते हैं. So I'm just saying that they should actually not one, they should groom 2 guys and they should know how to bat at number 4, number 5. तो मेरे हिसाब से श्रेयस और ऋषभ should be groomed at number 4, number 5. And I think KL should open because he's an opener. वो IPL में open करता है और obviously I'm sure उसको experience इतना हो गया कि वो 4-5 नंबर पे रन बना सकता है. लेकिन you need to find out who is the best player for every position.
Yeah. And have a proper plan.
मेरी बात शायद लोगों को अच्छी नहीं लगेगी, but reality always hurts.
Yeah. I think, like talking about spinning all-rounders, we've seen Axar Patel do well in test matches and he's doing well in IPL also. And Washington Sundar, again a spinning all-rounder. So if there is an advice that you can give them, what would that be, coming from you?
अक्सर की बॉलिंग थोड़ी मेरी ऐसी है, पता नहीं कौन सी स्पिन होती है, कौन सी सीधी चली जाती है. टर्निंग ट्रैक पे ऐसे बॉलर को खेलना बहुत डेंजरस है. लेकिन I'm very happy with Akshar's success in Test cricket.
Yes.
That Jadeja जो कि रेगुलर टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेलता है, उसकी जब किसी और को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली, उसने बंदे ने अपॉर्चुनिटी ग्रैब कर ली. So it's great to see that.
Yeah.
And obviously Washington Sundar, I was very surprised with his performance in Australia because he batted really well. Like he looked solid against such a quick bowling attack, experienced bowling attack. और मुझे नहीं लगा था कि इतनी जल्दी कोई इतना अच्छा खेलेगा. So I felt that he looked really good and really comfortable. So I think Washington Sundar, somebody in T20 cricket or Test cricket, one-day cricket is very handy because he bowls and he bats. So I think वॉशी की जैसी मतलब पर्सनालिटी है, आई थिंक इन टेस्ट क्रिकेट ही शुड डू रियली वेल, आई फील.
Yeah.
And talking about all-rounders, and of course we have Jadeja, who's exceptional, who's done very well. Uh, how important it would be for India to have a medium-pace fast bowler, for the World Cup, or you think that it doesn't matter to have a fast bowling all-rounder or a spinning all-rounder? Is there something that each contributes or brings to the table, or either or is good for you?
मेरे को लगता है चौथा फास्ट बॉलर आपका हार्दिक पांड्या इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द नेक्स्ट वर्ल्ड कप.
Yes. Yeah.
एंड ऑब्वियसली ही इज हैड बैक इश्यूज, पता नहीं उसकी बैक कभी फ्लेयर अप हो रही है, तो आई थिंक उसकी बॉलिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर, बिकॉज आप 3 फास्ट बॉलर खेल रहे हो, आपको चौथा फास्ट बॉलर मिलता है. आप 2 फास्ट बॉलर खेल रहे हो, आपको 2 स्पिनर मिलते हैं और एक और फास्ट बॉलर मिलता है. तो मतलब एक्चुअली हार्दिक को ही नहीं पता कि उसमें कितना पोटेंशियल है बॉलिंग का. बैटिंग तो पता ही है, वो लंबे छक्के मारता है. उसको यही नहीं पता कि उसको खुद नहीं पता कि उसमें कितना पोटेंशियल है. एंड आई एम श्योर कि यहाँ हमारे लिए बोलना आसान है कि उसको क्या बोलना, सब लोग कमेंट तो सबको पास करने आते हैं, बट आई एम श्योर कि बैक उसकी है, ही हैज टू सेव हिज बैक. तो मतलब आई फील के he has to manage it.
Yes.
But if he's not able to bowl, then you obviously look for other options. But I think he's a proper batsman right now. You can't even he's probably very explosive. Number 6, number 7. तो bowling कर जाएगा तो उसकी bowling से पूरा टीम का momentum setup बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है. Let's see.
True. So you feel that there is a very important role a fast bowling all-rounder like Hardik will play in the next World Cup.
I mean, if he's not injured, he's a 100% surety. If he's performing, I mean, again, Hardik जैसा player है या again I said ऋषभ जैसा player है, ये players exceptional players हैं. अगर as a मैं captain हूँ और ये लोग 4 या 5 इनिंग में परफॉर्म नहीं करेंगे, पर वो मेरी टीम में हमेशा रहेंगे, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि ऑन दैट डे वो मैच जिता देंगे इंडिया को.
जिता देंगे.
And coming back to again Yuvraj Singh, there's so many one-day matches, even test matches, like the centuries that he scored in test matches. वो result मिलता था, match जीतते थे. But अब अगर कोई जाके देखे कि ODI में average कितना है या सेंचुरीज कितनी है, वो रिकॉर्ड नहीं होता, बिकॉज यू आर विनिंग मैचेस फॉर योर टीम, यू आर प्लेइंग एट 5 and 6 यू विल नॉट स्कोर सो मेनी हंड्रेड्स. तो वो डज इट मैटर टू यू कि रिकॉर्ड्स नहीं है तो वो दिखते नहीं है, बट मैचेस इतने जिताए हैं वो फिर people look at records. So is that something that plays on your mind, or you just don't care? आपने मैच जिता दिया, that is good enough.
See, end of the day, it matters what the team wants from you. जिन लोगों को समझ नहीं आती उनको तो 50 और 100 का मतलब नहीं बना, पता नहीं रहेगा. और ऑब्वियसली जो नंबर 6 का बैट्समैन है वो तो 40 इनिंग या 50 इनिंग में एक ही 100 बनाएगा.
True.
So I feel that I actually spoke to a psychologist many years ago, 2003 World Cup, where I told him that Sachin, Saurav, Rahul, they get big hundreds. I also want to get a big 100 and win the game for India. But then he explained me that 40 you score, or that 35 not out you score, that is as big a knock as those hundreds, because that's won the game for India. So it kind of made sense to me, and I started focusing on that. That you score a 50 not out or a 60 not out, you score a crucial 40, crucial 45, will win the game. Yes, it's not a big number. Probably will add up in end of the career as runs. लेकिन नंबर्स जो हैं वो सिर्फ स्क्रीन पे ही मैटर करते हैं. As long as you believe you are a match winner and your team believes in you, that is what is more important. And that is what is your that's how you drive. Like for me, Gary Curtis always says that you are my game changer.
Yes.
कि तेरे अगर लगे तो opposition खत्म.
Yes.
And I used to thrive on that. कि मेरा कोच मेरे बारे में ऐसे सोचता है कि मैंने तो मैं 40 बॉल भी खेला, उसमें मैंने अगर 60-70 बना दिए तो हम जीत जाएंगे मैच,
Yeah.
या अगर मैंने प्रेशर सिचुएशन में मैच निकाल दिया. सो व्हाट स्टार्ट टू हैपन वाज दैट कि जब 3 या 4 आउट होते थे, आई यूज्ड टू थ्राइव इन दैट सिचुएशन कि
Yes.
ये मतलब एक विकेट डाउन पे दोनों 100 बना दिए तो कोई प्रेशर नहीं है, पर अगर 5 या 6 आउट हुए वहां से मैच निकाला, you know, it's a very difficult, it's a different kind of win. So I
Yes.
think
Yeah.
I used to thrive on that.
Yeah. Yeah.
तो आई थिंक वो जो आप लोगों ने इंग्लैंड में विक्ट्री करी थी इन द लास्ट ओडीआई वेयर ऑब्वियसली दादा टुक ऑफ हिज शर्ट, आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग दैट नोबडी कैन, it's there in our memories, and the trend started, you know. I
Dada,
think that was
the shirt or Dada's body in your memory?
both. I think both are memory. But that actually started a trend, you know. That started a trend, and the domination that you know India started getting in the shorter format, and you know it's phenomenal. You know what has happened in the last 20 years, and where we are today. You know, dominating world cricket. उसकी foundation, I think 20-25 साल पहले ही start हो गई थी. So now, if you you know, if you get an opportunity, would you want to get into the role of a coach, or that is something that doesn't excite you?
पहली बात हम दादा की जब बात करें तो
Ah.
ये obviously Flintoff took his shirt in Mumbai when this
Correct.
series was 3-all. They were losing 3-1, वहां से 3-3 कर दिया. तो वहां जीते, दादा के दिमाग में था कि जो मर्जी हो जाए शर्ट तो मुझे उतारनी अपनी. तो और वो दादा हमको ही बोल रहा, तुम भी उतारो शर्ट, अपनी उतारो. और हम शर्ट उतारे, राहुल हमारी शर्ट है वहां पे, नहीं उतारनी शर्ट.
नहीं उतारनी.
And I remember going into the ground and I took my shirt off, and luckily I was wearing a t-shirt underneath. So मैं बच गया, मैं दादा की तरह मेरी सुंदर बॉडी एक्सपोज नहीं हुई. And coming back, I think coming back to coaching question, I actually am more of a mentor. I can in the future probably would love to be the coach of an IPL team, but
Yes.
I think mentorship में मेरे को बहुत मजा आता है when the guys are 19, 20, you know, the mistakes I made, I don't want them to make those mistakes. So I think I enjoy that role of mentorship, you know, because last year I worked with four guys, Shubman, Abhishek Sharma, Prabh Simran Singh, अनमोल प्रीत, ये 4 लड़कों के साथ काम किया, तो मुझे काम करके बहुत मजा आया. Because मुझे when I used to see their faults, I could you know shoot the videos and take their faults out. I never thought that I would be you know doing that in my career. के नहीं कैसे कई बार पता लगता, पर कैमरे से you can make out if somebody's making a fault. So you know it was a very good thing for me also that I can do this mentorship in the future. But yes, you know, coaching an IPL team and setting up the system probably something I would love to do in the future. क्योंकि अभी तो मैं खेल रहा हूँ. इंडिया से रिटायर हुआ, बाहर की लीगों से रिटायर नहीं हुआ अभी.
And how much do you, you know, how much emphasis do you lay on the mental part of it? You know, yes, somebody is talented, वो skill set है, वो आप किसी को दे नहीं सकते. Like, you know, I was talking to Rahul Dravid once, and he said talent is there, but ultimately, you know, how you cope with the pressure situation. So how much of it is mental, you know, to reach the level that you, you know, the international players, somebody like you know what you've achieved. How much of it was, you know, your mental toughness vis-a-vis the talent that you have?
I think mental toughness, Paras, comes with a lot of experience. You know, when you go through ups and downs of your career, you always you know come back and perform. So, you know, you have to go through your lows. When you go through your success, you have to go through your lows to understand how mentally strong you are. How mentally strong you are to come back. You know, cricket might be a game, but it's also it gives you great learning also in life. How to come out, from your failures. Because the game is designed in such a manner that as a batsman, you will score 1 in 4 innings or 5 innings.
Yes.
You know, that's the average you will get over the years of your career. But जो बड़े प्लेयर होते हैं वो 4 में से एक इनिंग को 100 में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. That is why they are Tendulkar, Kohlis, Dravids,
Yes.
and Steve Smith and Kane Williamson. Lekin, like guys like us who are middle orders, we have
Yeah.
to focus more on our 40s and 50s.
Yes.
So I
Yeah.
think everybody needs to have a goal in mind. But I think
Mm.
you will only find out about your mental toughness once you go through your lows.
Yes. Yeah.
So I just feel that it's not that difficult today to play for India, or
Mm.
it was even talented guys. People start talking about them. But
Mm.
the tough part is to stay there.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
once you come on an international level, things are completely different.
Mhm.
In domestic cricket आपको 2 या 3 बॉलर अच्छे मिलते हैं, 1 या 2
Mhm.
बॉलर, और इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट जाओ तो आपको 5-6 बॉलर मिलते हैं.
True. True.
That's the difference.
Yeah.
And one question coming to my mind, because I've obviously dealt with your team now, as you have, so many business ventures. So, how excited are you now, being in, as a businessman, as an entrepreneur, and building that team and building, so many ventures, like you're getting into fashion, you're getting into sports equipment, you're getting into, entertainment. So, is that something that is really close to your heart? Is that something that you're actually passionate about?
Sports is obviously I'm learning from big guns like you, and fashion obviously have some
Yeah.
decent fashion sense. But I
Yeah.
think I always wanted to create something. I
Yes.
never
Yeah.
wanted कि जिसमें मेरी cricket खत्म होगी, retired life, ये वो. I always want to create something of my own. So I
Yes.
think these I learned a lot from my businesses. Made
Yes. Yes.
mistakes.
Yeah.
Able to maintain them somehow. So I'm learning. I think it's uh, it's it's not that new for me, but
Mhm.
business is not that easy, as you know. There are
Yes.
a lot of ups and
Absolutely. Yeah.
downs,
Yes.
like
Yeah.
your career.
Yeah.
So I think
Yeah.
I'm learning the business. I'm learning how to
Mhm.
do the best for my ventures, and as long as my attitude is right, I'm working
Mhm.
hard, and my heart's in the right place, I'm sure I will
Mhm.
prevail.
Beautiful.
Brilliant, sir. Thank you very much, UV, for your time. And lovely. चाहिए तो चलती रहेगी. I'll keep asking you because जो मेरे questions थे वो पहले ही खत्म हो गए थे. But this would have gone and on. So looking forward to seeing you in person very soon.
Definitely, and I'll speak to you soon.